Machiegni migawo maweche tudruok gi lony manyasani ochiwo ne apisi ma Aton Jener masinde manyasani mar keto tije bedo mayot kokalo e lony. Masinde go ne ochiw e bwo riwruok ma The Kenya Digital Economic Acceleration Project. Aton Jener Dorcas Oduro wacho ni nyaka sani yore mag chiwo resruok ne jopiny osebedo mayot nikech lony manyasani. Jatend migawo ma tudruok William Kabogo owacho ni sirikal biro medo sirogi.
1,300 devices to the office of Aton Jener.
At the time that we were colonized, we have those records here. We hope we'll digitize them, and with the help of our CS, we can archive some of them so that the people who come after us can also see where we came from. Now, these resources will enable us to accelerate workflow automation, improve record management, and support seamless service continuity. They will also directly underpin the OAG Training Chamber and the ICT Innovation Hub. CS, as we uptake technology, we have to be wary of the legal implication of technology. And for that reason, the Office of the Attorney General has come up with a digital incubation and innovation hub where we want to teach cyber security, AI, social media, data protection.
When I remember coming here as a member of parliament, the whole of this place was full of files. And what I have seen today is amazing. It is possible to digitize government. The Attorney General has done it.